question.
Go ahead.
Ba Based on that second classwork that you gave, where
Yes.
we were supposed to create those 10 people, does
Yes.
that tie into this next assignment?
Yes, it does.
So that means we have to change the people them then.
Why?
Because it's some fictitious email and it would be good for when we're showing it that is actual persons could log on.
Also,
Why?
you use actual fictitious. You can use other emails.
Okay.
How you want to communicate if allow Kemisha?
In fact, you can
Huh?
use the same email for everybody, I think.
Th- That's what I'm
Kemisha.
saying. We're going to need to change something. You're not listening to me, no? Not listening to me.
So in other words, the email that you enter for next assignment must be valid.
Um, Again, you can use one. You can use maybe one or two email addresses for everybody in the that you have created. It will
Okay,
still
sir.
work as a
Sir,
test.
that answers my question.
You're welcome.
All right.
So let's move on. So we have finance, HR, payroll. So we add users to accounts. So we could say here, David is in the accounts department. Who's in
Oh,
HR?
eh. Ew. Hmm.
Admin is in. If you recognize, you can only be in one department. So if I signed David to HR, he cannot be in another department. If I send him to finance, he can be in HR and so on. So let's put Muncie here in HR,
No name, sir.
and then we'll in IT. I want to be in IT.
She have something
Kenisha is
about
in
IT.
IT. The CEO for IT department.
Can trick
IT.
ahead to the northern.
Okay, great. Now roles. I have three here: admin, operator, and manager. Andre, Andre, you're asking about the roles, right? Let's take a look at the admin role. Now the admin, you can see what that. Okay, I can't modify it, but you can
Sir?
edit it. Can I? Let's see. No, I can't modify it at all. Look at operator. Uh, if you look at the permissions for operator, you can see these are the things that they're able to do. Yes, they can edit their login and they can create cases. They can edit everything for their own profile, right? But if you go to admin and take a look at they have a lot more. See, they can edit login, they can set up users, factory, all these things they can do. Of course, in addition to editing their own profile. You guys see that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Manager, of course, is like in between. Can't do as much as admin, but can do quite a lot. So if you're assigning users, you can assign more than one user to different roles. No, more than one user to different roles, right? So this is what manager. You can make Andre a manager. Close that. For admin, add users. Of course, I'm here to add somebody else. Can make Kamisha be the admin here. Oh, Andre, let me see if Andre sent his thing. Yes, he just did. Or you sent it a long time ago? Let me see. So soon get back to that. Right, so this is it. So right now we have quite a few people set up. So I think we're done here now. So that would be question number 2. Design the workflow which would be this. Let us work with this for now. Let's ignore the ugliness.
All right, sir.
And I'll show you why in a minute. So we did hierarchy for the roles and departments for each user. Everybody got this? Raise your hand, say yes, please, if you got this. Click yes if you get number
Yes,
2A.
sir. Yes, sir.
That's one. Let's click the yes. Let's click this, please, if you get it. Let me see. If you did,
Hold on,
if it
sir. So that what you did is to answer number 2A?
2A, yeah.
Okay.
What?
Let's click the green tick, the green checkbox, please. All right, one. No, everybody should listen. If I don't say everybody green, I can't move on. I don't want to next week.
Sir, I don't see where to click, sir. So I'm gonna say here,
All right,
here.
so 2. I see 2. Do I see 3? Do I see 3? Only 2.
I am
Come on,
3.
guys, we can do it.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
I'm not actually saying yes. I get it. What I'm saying is, could we extend the time and the deadline for this assignment for another day or two?
Hold on. Check your name. Click the checkbox beside the name to show me that you get this first. Then we can discuss that.
Sir, where's that checkbox? I'm not
It's
seeing
right
that
there. It's
checkbox
beside the hand.
beside the hand.
Yeah.
Me not see that.
Sir, I'm not seeing
You see
sir.
the
I'm not
hand?
seeing that.
No,
Guys,
sir.
click participants and you
Sir,
see it
are
at the
you talking
bottom.
where? Sir, you're talking where your mouse is?
Yes.
Oh, what I see me on there.
Okay.
Sir, I'm not
Good.
seeing
David,
Oh,
Oh
sorry,
God.
that's it?
not the hand, man. The one
The
beside the
one
hand. Ah, Ati.
exactly.
Right. Alti. Work with it.
Boy, you
Luke.
guys are something else.
Yes, sir. What you say, man?
Work with it,
Work it on.
Click Luke. No, Luke Messer, man. Luke must click the checkbox
I'm kicking on, sir.
systematically. Luke not clicking it. Why is Luke not clicking it? Luke is just looking at me, not saying anything. Luke,
So, Kemisha?
just is Luke is
Kemisha?
beside anybody there, please?
Hello?
You work here in Kingston?
Mate, that's a bar. You can't pick up the girl. You see this?
If you got the
Exactly.
girl, the
My
girl is a
husband
married
would
woman.
like that.
It's have a double
Exactly.
barrel name. You know what that means?
She's a married woman, sir. What I pick up her, sir?
So Jay, why you say no? Why you click the X? Everybody click green check. I click X.
I don't understand.
You have the X instead of the checkbox.
Alright, itchy.
Man
Okay.
gone run. Anyway, Ramon, where's Ramon?
Whew, Mercedes.
Where's Ramon Kelly? Ramon Kellier and Ramon York and Regis. I'm not sure why you guys aren't responding. I felt like I just wasted the last hour of these guys' life. Ah, Regis, yes. Great. Now, Vivian, if you click yes or no, we can negotiate. I just want to click yes. You can do it. Click yes and we negotiate. Let's begin. Let's talk. That was very easy, the hierarchy, very easy. Let's click yes, Vivian. Ah, good. Now we can talk. Okay, the two Ramon, I don't know. We'll discuss them after. But I guess this is, we have what? 10 out of 12, 83%. Not bad. Let's work with this. No class. Make up your mind, Regis. Yeah, definitely. done. No class.
Oh, sir, before we go any further, sir,
Mhm.
I have a problem. That is
Mhm.
when you're setting the like the date, the due date,
Mhm.
sir, is that you're going to put Thursday at 11:59 p.m. or Friday at 11:59 p.m.?
Okay. Why? What have been doing?
Sir, when it's a Friday at 12 a.m., sir, we're not real point 12 a.m., so we are trying saying Friday in the day, and then they say late.
Oh,
Yes,
so 11:59. Got it. Okay.
yes, sir. Please.
Um,
EM.
PM. Yeah. Yes. All right. Cool. So the purpose of these exercises and these classwork and assignments is competency based. I want you to be able to understand what you're doing, not just doing it because I tell you to do it. For many reasons. One, I want you to learn it, and two, it builds upon the subsequent assignments. All these assignments are linked. If you realize everything you've done from classwork one to assignment one, assignment two, assignment three, assignment four is all linked. Everything going to be one major assignment that will be presented in module four.
So, sir,
Yes.
if everything was linked, why wasn't classwork two a group work too?
No, classworks are individual. I have to have something to measure it by individually.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, everything can be all assignments, group work assignments. So I think I've given a lot of time, but because we have done the clarification now and because of the dynamics of this class, I think it could be fair to give you an extension to
To the next class.
no, no easy, hold on. To Wednesday 11:59
Oh,
PM, sir. PM.
sir.
p.m. in the night, yes. The,
Oh
the
gosh.
reason what I wanted to do, I wanted to give feedback to everybody before you submit assignment number three, because assignment number three is still due April 14th, right? So I want to give you at least 10 days, give you feedback on this assignment, which I'm pretty much doing now. Um, so you can be prepared when you do assignment number three. So let's just finish this class. Going through assignment two. Hopefully by tomorrow evening, you'll all submit, so we can go full head on assignment number three. Okay, that's a deal. I'll take that as a yes. I'll take care ignoring me like I'm not here as
Sir,
we agree. Okay, yes?
sir, or both even Thursday, sir, because remember, sir, we have other stuff at the you know, sir. I'll
No,
even
but
say
wait,
Thursday
may I what
11:59
chop liver?
PM. What, sir?
But I've given you guys a lot of extensions.
Yes, sir, I know, but remember, this is a new thing for us now, sir, new venture.
What's that? It's a
And
group
which,
work.
yes, sir, so
Sir,
Spread the
you
love.
understand?
Thursday.
Sorry, you said something that was critical right there. Group.
Yes.
Sir, Thursday, sir.
Group.
Kamisha, where's the X?
Huh?
Change your X to
Sir,
green or else you
sir,
can.
I'm not agreeing to Wednesday.
I'm not agreeing either. I have an X too.
What's your
Thursday,
excuse?
sir. Thursday.
All right, let
Tomorrow
me
is
ask
a
a question.
really heavy day, so.
Wait, is this Thorpe again?
Yeah.
This guy's coming. Come on, man. We need to share. I mean,
So it's not just him, it's everybody.
but don't you want
Everybody.
feedback though? Don't you want feedback
Yes,
Yes,
but
Yeah,
as soon
we,
as
we,
possible?
we,
sir,
we
so
want
that's
that.
why, sir,
definitely.
that's why we're going to submit it Thursday so that by Saturday class, we can have
So
Exactly.
so
Ding
I
ding.
no. When will I get time?
So just give everybody 100 and just call it a night.
I want to, I want to, but I have to stand by the UCJ guidelines about
Oh,
this assignment dates, and I don't want to go against that. So the maximum I could give is Wednesday
We'll do
evening.
our best. We'll do our best.
Yeah. And again,
We'll do our
if I give
best.
it too much of a time, UCJ might audit and say, boy, this class is too loose.
Sir, we don't buy that. Come on.
Sir,
Come on, sir.
considering
We
that we
don't buy that.
started in the middle of the semester, I'm just
So
saying.
yeah. Yeah, and again, we can use that again, but again, we don't want to keep it as tight as possible.
Okay,
Understand?
so Thursday then, sir.
All right. This is the deal. This is the deal. It's compromise because we are big people.
Okay.
Thursday at 12 noon.
Yes, sir. We work with
All
that.
right.
Alright, we work with it. We work
Boy,
with
you know how do you man? Best in the tree top, so.
And Saturday at 12
Sir?
noon.
No. You see, I push it though. That's why people get through things.
But of course, sir, we do that. We tell it next week.
Yeah.
Sir, Mr. Top, we're on another level, sir.
Exactly. This is easy thing we can do in 10 minutes.
What?
For you.
With the top, you have to
For
recreate
you
it.
who is a lecturer, but not for us as a
With the
student.
top, you have to
Sir,
create
this is a
Google.
steep
Sir,
Okay, Google
anything
and
is easy.
Facebook in one
Sir,
class.
anything is easy once you know to do it. Anything is easy from you know to do it. But
Yeah,
when
practice.
you don't know how to do it, like process maker
No,
and
no,
Odoo,
David.
it is
You know
We
what
not
process
agree with
maker
that.
mean in English? Easy to do.
I
Alright.
agree with that one
So,
there.
sir, we supposed to take
You know what
screenshots,
do
right?
mean? Yes. Odoo means easy to do. That's it.
So, sir, the
Trans-
assigning users to the appropriate task part of it, that was done a
I'm going to
while
do that
ago
now. I'm
as
going to show
well?
that now. I'm going to show that now.
Okay, yes, sir, because we it's almost my bedtime.
Yeah, man, I know that it's your
Bedtime at 7:29 night.
I have to get my beauty
Virgin,
sleep.
she's a
Huh?
married woman.
I have to
But
get
married
my
woman,
beauty sleep.
me like to know which married woman. If me have my wife, she got garbage for 7:99.
No. Sir,
Virgin,
Sir, they
sir,
not,
you
not,
need,
not, not working out.
A hint.
sir, you need to understand, sir. Our bedtime includes our fuzzy time.
Yeah, must so.
Oh, no, Ben. See me. Guys, come out of the young lady's life.
Sleep. Have to get my
Sir,
beauty sleep, else I'm
sir,
gonna be ugly.
young
Where's
is
Michelle? Where
relative.
Michelle gone? Michelle is not even here to defend. Poor Michelle. Michelle by herself.
Sir, man, some big old green over his screen, sir.
Oh, I'm trying to get into
Make we say I
trying to
do,
get
sir.
into
That's an illegal in the man. That's an not show.
Sir, make we say I do, sir.
I'm trying to get into Andre's server, but it's not happening.
Sir, is Andre assignment you doing?
No.
Oh.
There's a dot at the end of this thing. Okay, that was the wrong one. Okay, sorry. Let me see. Copy that.
Sir, I doubt it's working because for some reason I had public access and now I don't.
You need to shout.
Okay,
We have to probably check the firewall.
Let me go here.
You want to eat some vegetable?
It's almost bedtime, so you can wait and then do that.
So, TV show, if I thought I work.
Huh?
If I talking to the work.
I don't. I work online, so anywhere in the world I want to go and work, I can work. I work online.
How can I work
Okay.
it online?
I'm an English teacher and I'm an entrepreneur. Okay.
I can't business job. You guys are catch me. I can't business job.
Who talk off air?
That sound like a song.
no, it's very legal and very lucrative. She's a very brilliant young lady.
It's legal, yeah, but it sound like a song.
Walking in her footsteps.
Come on,
Andre,
class.
what's the password? Alright. Andre,
Yo,
what's the
me
password?
not.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, go on here, sir.
You guys are catch me. Pull up. Next week at Easter. Shit, if I miss church, no. Can't miss it next week.
What's the username, Andre? Just type it in, please. Okay, I got it. It's fine. All right, let me focus on this. Let me share this.
I was actually asking if I could just give you the link for the assessment instead of the screenshots.
The screen link now work. Use a screenshot.
Oh, so don't show the class. What are you doing?
No, I don't mind. I'm just asking if it's
Who
possible.
want to see it?
Oh, it's right, brother. If him right.
Let's
I'm
see.
done.
You could send a link. Um,
But if we do it on our local machines, like how are you gonna really access that?
uh, you can access Oranges because I'm on it now.
Bye. Good night.
Exactly. But what if we're not on there?
Good night. No, you can do screenshots, which is
Right.
not
So
as cool,
in
but
that case, that's what I'm saying. The link might not work.
well, you can do an export, you know. You can export it and send me the
You might not. Oh, you want that file?
yes,
Oh yeah, I know how to do that. Yeah. But
right.
you wouldn't get to see the roles and all these things.
If you export everything, I'll have to recreate the roles. You can do a
Screenshot of the roles.
right.
Uh-huh.
No, but if you
Okay.
do consistent roles, because if
Mhm.
I create a role called HR and the department, you know, similar to what you have, and I import it, it will snap back
It's
in.
not it's not coming up.
Okay.
You're not seeing it? I'm sharing it,
No,
but
we
it's
just see
coming up.
blue
It's kind of
screen
I
of
different.
just see a
death.
blue screen, yeah.
All right, let me try again.
A blue multi specialized, you know?
Let me see what's is happening here. Now I'm sharing my application. I'm gonna share the desktop then.
I don't actually have any role set up, you know.
What? All right, you can see it now.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it's a monster.
Munzip on that.
Let's see what's happening here now.
Sir,
I
I
guess
don't
I,
mind
I
how
guess I'll
man.
get straight lines.
I haven't actually fixed it up yet. So, yeah.
All right, cool. No, that's fine. Looking at functionality now. Let me see. This I see a potential danger here, and that's the good thing about using Signavio. Signavio can tell if you're using the proper syntax in the design, like out of the box. Process Maker don't give you that feedback.
Good job.
So, for example,
Sir,
this
you
now,
know
notice
another
it.
problem I was having, I wasn't readily identifying some of the symbols. The only thing that I see is a database.
Hmm.
Like there's not a computer anywhere or the, the only
Oh, you
section
mean
that,
in Process Maker?
yeah, I don't know if there's somewhere else that I'm not seeing it, but I'm
Well,
not.
you probably won't see it because Signavio has more than just the BPM and sets. It has other symbols as well. But
Sir, one
yeah,
finish, sir. I have a question.
sure.
I can clone the server for you, you know.
This server.
I can clone them. I'm running it through type 1 hypervisor.
Oh.
Okay. Sure. That would be great. So you can easily clone the environment. Much memory allocate to each instance.
Well, I just allocate 4 to this one.
Okay. Yeah.
And it
It's a big
seems to
machine.
be
There.
performing good on
It's a
4.
laptop.
No, it's not. It's
It's a
only a
server. Okay.
16 gig.
16 gig
No,
server. Okay.
it's just a machine, 16 gig. Yeah.
Okay.
Calm down.
So what is the other question in the assignment now?
Sorry. Sorry, I did something like this, but I wasn't sure if that was what you wanted to see.
Sir, you know what I like it
Like
for
put
see?
the little man right there.
Yeah, this is a user task.
Going Dino Farms, there's a farm there.
Mm-hmm.
Can you link it to one of those processors or
Task?
something?
Yeah, of course, it's a step. Let's hit the step. If I Danaforms, you don't have any. If you
I
had
do.
Danaforms, it would be here. I could just send it over here. But apparently, let me see if you.
Oh, not in this one. Not in this one.
Oh, in
In the
another one,
other
another.
in the other, because I
Oh, this one.
interpreted that word right. When you say as, okay.
This is it. Let me see. All right, here. That's it.
So what are we achieving there?
That's it?
What, you thought it was more?
Yeah.
So, so what you
How
do
you
now
use it?
in this step, um, in this task, when you run this task, the Danaform will come up in it. But you have to assign
Oh,
users
you
as
run
well.
the task.
You have to run the entire process. I'll show you how to do
Oh,
that in a
okay.
minute.
People really don't make them sit now.
So we're actually in assignment 3 now, right? Because I thought I'm there creating forms
Mm-hmm.
and trying to figure out how it link and all of that.
Sure.
That was
So
the assignment too. Yes, Kamisha?
Um, in the whole creating farm thing,
Mm-hmm.
right? What if when you send it from one person to the next,
Mm-hmm.
like it adds like extra parts to the farm each time, and
Yeah,
if it needs to go a step back, then
yeah,
you deduct some of the stuff that you added in the first place.
right. Yeah, that's how it
Yeah,
works. So let me show you.
because that's what I got. So I was wondering.
Right. So okay, so you've seen how I assign the task. Let
Should I
me
go on the
assign a.
I?
So these are the fields. So authorized by. No, Andre. Oh yeah, decision here. Authorized by. You pull this data from somewhere. So
Hold on
decision
there.
here, approved or rejected. This is a exclusive
Wow.
or.
Hey, this app look interesting though. Kimisha. Alright, Kimisha. So like you're a pro on this, so I can reach out to you if I have any issues with this application.
That's what sir is here for.
No, sir, thing in already, Sir, some watching phone ring on answer it. I know
Man,
say
just
you
dip on
call.
Kamisha case so.
Sir, alright, sir, I have a number, sir, mark my
Kamisha,
number. You have some time
you're
with my phone
Mrs.
just ring and go straight to
You're
voicemail,
Mrs. Kamisha
Stylish.
Tobin Dunn,
Style.
right?
Hey, Mrs. Dunn is good
Mrs. Dunn.
enough.
Okay, that's checking. Mrs. Alti, hear that?
Repeat?
She's Mrs.
Oh, so you man married, you must check her out already, sir. That's why I have Google.
Oh, excuse me. Okay.
That's why I asked her if she work, because I missed her face before.
All right.
Where?
Oh, no else.
All right. So this is the form. You
Sir, you
have
can click on that I button and let me see what it look like. The little
what I
I
button
right beside the bin. Right beside the bin.
right here,
Yes.
the,
Click on,
and then the preview form.
preview.
That's a
Yes.
preview.
Yes.
That's to show how the form would look. Um,
Top long form.
it's coming up. It's taking a while because it's a remote.
Sir, did you talk to Kerry? In regards to the so I want assignment 3?
Oh, I asked you to remind me. You never send me a message or something. Please
You have
remind
Kerry
me.
number?
I have her old number. Let me see if I still have her new one.
Short time, you know what going.
Skype still alive?
Yes.
Why, sir, grieve me I first off and you see the Skype for class and 9, man.
I know me. Skype.
Instead of you.
The Skype. All right, let's move on. So this is a good form. Let me say first name, last name, department. Department to me should have been should have been a drop down. Let me show you another example of a drop down, which I think is of a form.
That's true.
So look at this data form here. You guys can see this. So to add users and groups, you click here. Have two employees, two users and employees. Oh, it's kind of logged out. Oh, logged out. Sorry. Where was I? Where's that Canvas? Okay. So users and groups. So we have two users assigned to this task. This is how it will be assigned. If you wanted to add more, you click here, and then let us say lecturer. Click assign, and there will be 3 users
Sir,
assigned to this. Yes.
so sir, even in this other version, and sorry, hearing a lot of shuffle, shuffle, shuffle.
I'm not sure who's doing that. Please desist.
I'm me, I'm me, I'm mute, I'm mute, I'm mute.
Yes,
What
sir.
you're actually saying?
Speaker. All right, what I'm saying is this, sir. Ours is not this version of Process Maker,
It works the
right?
same way. I just showed it to you on
Works just the same way.
Andre's
Okay.
version. Yeah.
I just no
That's what I'm
yeah, like I I I have to see things over and over.
Yeah, visual. Right. So this is also a Dynaform, and it is in that
Mhm.
task. Go into steps, and a step is also a part of a task, and the
Okay.
steps can be the um the forms, the triggers, and the users in the form in the task. Right.
I know this is outside the purview of what we're doing, but the drop down don't have to be dynamic, right?
No, it doesn't have to. It will be good, but it doesn't have to. It can be static. So, for example, let's take a look at this one. This is static. This is also static. Type of leave. Days now would really like if it was dynamic based on the calendar. Employee. Yeah.
Sir, what if at the top of my form I had Heart Trust leave application form?
Yeah,
Should I
but that's
take
fine.
that off or
No,
keep it?
no. Why you want to take it off?
Because all of these forms don't have any heading on there.
It doesn't
Like
matter.
I know that leave requests have to do with what you had named the Dynaform in the first place. So I'm just wondering, um,
No, no, it
if
wouldn't matter. I'm just showing the functionality. I want
okay,
to leave you up to the creativity of it. You're getting more points for that, so I don't want to.
sir, one thing I hate about this thing
Mm-hmm.
when you create the Dynaforms and actually reviewing it, is there like any other way to really put in like some colors and all
Oh
of that,
no, no,
you
it's
know?
ugly. It's ugly. You have to just live with that.
Oh
There's another
gosh.
way. There's another way. Let me show you. Let me show you the other way. But first, let me show you how the Dynaform looks. People who didn't see it. Um, this is how it would look. It pulls the user information based on um my login.
The
Pull my
login,
login, right?
right?
Uh, the date, current dates and current time, and the leave I've taken so far to my paid leave. So if I say I'm going to go on leave from the 11th to the 20th,
Sir,
to calculate 8 days, yes?
I'm at school, so I have to leave now, no, sir. So I'm going offline now. See
Uh,
you guys next class.
okay, sure.
Bye, David.
All right, David. Who else? Kamisha.
Go pick up your wife.
Right. So this is the how the Darren form would look. So very dynamic. If it's select the number of days, it will calculate it for you. It will ignore holidays like Saturdays and so on.
So,
So
sir,
yes,
can we like alter the holidays for the calendar, like set the public holidays based
yes,
on
yes, you
the.
can. I can show you how that's done in a second.
Yes, sir, that would be great. Great.
Yeah, man. So this will be the information. I click submit. I will go to like here the approval, which is the manager, which just happens to be me again. So and I'll see it. I'll see the same form with all this information, and I can approve it or not, yes or no.
Approve it, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll approve it because he needs it all those 10 days. I know
So,
it goes to HR manager, which is Kamisha.
And I'll send it back and say no.
Yeah, and knowing Kamisha.
I still wicked one.
So let me log out and see how Kamisha would say. K done. K done. So when I log in as Kamisha, I see this thing pending in my inbox saying that I want to take leave.
so, sir,
So she can look at it and say, did the manager approve it? Yes. Come in, come
Sir,
in.
it says no already. See
So
down the bottom, no.
you'll be a manager. I'm gonna fire you from CEO. I'm going to make you the assistant janitor
Oh
to
my, I don't mind.
the receptionist. Right, yes, you're asking a question?
yes, sir. Sir, in a real life scenario, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you're saying that the HR can overrule the manager's decision?
Yes, because if the person does not have enough leave, like what Kamisha was just
Yeah, yeah,
saying,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Next question, sir.
Uh-huh.
What question I go again? Remember.
All right, cool. Go on, think about it.
Remember.
So in the
But
meantime, then y- someone was asking about the calendar to see what we
Yes,
can do
sir.
for the right. There are so many
sir,
things you can do. Yes. Calendar here.
would it be incorrect if HR is like the last person to see that? You know that that's what most of the automated systems do. They
I'm sorry.
send to supervisor, to manager,
Yeah.
and then to HR. HR
Right.
would be the last person.
Yeah.
So I was wondering.
So yeah, man, it's fine.
Okay, okay.
And then HR now will send it back to the
The
user,
person,
the person, yeah,
yeah.
original person.
Oh,
So
yes,
if you want, which holiday is coming up? Good Friday. So
yes,
on the
sir.
holidays, click Good Friday.
Thursday the 14th.
14. Over Friday 14th. Good Friday
Oh,
doesn't fall on Thursday. One to Friday. Uh, so that's Good Friday 14, right? And then update that. And we can add as many as we want Easter Monday.
oh, sir.
Yeah.
All right. So if a person applies for 10 days leave, right?
hmm
Shouldn't the manager be able to like say, all right, I approve the leave, but you're only getting 8 days? Can that be
Yeah,
possible?
he okay, perfect. Your excellent point. So how would that be done now? They would send it back because if you recognize, this person, the hmm, let's see, go back to the home. even with the manager, they can't change the request. What they have to do is send it back
Okay.
to the user.
Person actually sends the form to the supervisor. The only thing that the supervisor will check to see if the form was correctly filled out and if they will need extra manpower, that person is gone. And if the supervisor rejects it, then it goes right back to the person.
Right, you can do that.
Like the only thing it will have is like radio buttons to say like update the information.
Yeah, I can do that as well.
Okay.
And once you click the update user information,
Right.
it will trigger something as well. Because
Yes.
each of these can, because there's a routing rule we can have,
Oh.
right? You can say
Oh.
that if the request is one, then it go to end of process. If request is zero, you go to this. So I can say um, if HR reviewed it,
Hey, mute the mic, please
yeah,
and
please.
thanks.
I can hardly hear what's happening in there.
Alright, do that again. How you reach us, sir?
It can do it. All right, I'm cancel it. Yeah, we call routing rules.
Oh.
And do some experiments on this. So based on the content in the form, right, you can say what is the next step in the procedure. That's a routing rule. So if I get, so manager requests, they have options here. This is what manager review request. It should go here. If it, if the person says no, if the manager said no, it says end of process. But let me show you something. I can say if the manager says no, I can make it go back to the first task. You see that? That's one option.
Sir,
See
do
it
that
then?
again, please.
See this arrow now? This arrow
Yeah,
is back to the.
people, man.
Sir, can do that one more
Like,
time, please?
1 second. Let me mute
Yeah.
the person who's talking.
Yes, see you, there, Jay.
Oh yeah, mute now. All right, finally. Good. So let's look at this again. On the routing rules, this parameter here on the request decision on the Dynaform gives two values based on the how you design the Dynaform. You can put values in it. Yes. This
So
could have
one
been
is
yes. It
yes
could have been
and
yes, and zero is no.
and zero.
You
Okay,
could
cool.
even use y or n or whatever parameter you want to use. Yes. So I can say if in the Dynaform, right? This parameter. This is just the drop down, in the Dynaform, right? This is the variable. Everybody get that?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right. I can say that if the person says yes, then you go to the HR. But if the manager says no, I can add right now it had end of process. If you click end of process and click save, it goes to here. You see? It goes to end of process. But
So,
no,
sir,
if I say, you know what, I wanted to go back to the requester, I think some other guy was asking earlier, I can do that as well. Go to request time off, set it to go back here, so they can change the form and then send it back to me. And if I say
sir,
yes, it goes back. Yes,
sir, the other version of Process Maker, it works the same.
works the same. In fact, better. In fact, easier.
Sir, me still have to ask again and again and again,
Yeah,
sir.
man. And if it,
All right.
okay, have you been using the Process Maker help?
No,
There's a whole wiki
I've
around
been
Process
using
Maker.
a whole YouTube.
YouTube is okay, but the wiki is even more straightforward. All right, create relevant forms. Now you can create the forms, which we
Sir,
just did in
sir,
Dynaforms. This has to be in
sir.
Dynaforms though, because I'll give you an extension. Now, how to integrate with Postgres? Let me show you how we integrate with Postgres for this, and then we'll
Yes.
finish the class.
One, sir,
Yes.
what you did a while ago is assign roles.
Rules.
Rules.
That's a rule. R-U-L-E.
Or
I
assign
did.
the user. Okay,
Right.
appropriate task. So that's what you were doing a while ago.
No, I signed the user roles before. Let me show you again. User roles
Not
very
the
easy.
roles, sir. The one that says assign. Um, The part 2 for number 2.
Yeah, assign user roles. Let me show you how to do that. Go into here, right click,
Mm-hmm.
user and user groups.
And
Click
groups.
it, and
Yeah.
then these are 2 roles. So I can
Okay.
assign, and
Mm-hmm.
then click one of these, and that will be assigned.
Okay.
I can just remove this. So that's assigning it. Now the rules now is different. You can go to routing rules and do it here based on the parameter. There are many parameters. Just select the one you want. This is the yes no request decision. Yes and so
Are you
already
researching
there.
now? Sorry.
Who's that talking? So that's
You
that.
click the AA something, Andre.
AA, I get the list of all the parameters your Dynaform has.
Go again with parameters thing.
To get the
It
parameters
deserves to know.
that user form has, you go to right click.
You only coloring pass and that's a difficult to use.
See that is.
Sir,
It's double at if it's a string, if it's a string literal. But
string
but
tab
if
business there. What am I string there?
if you want to be an absolute integer, you use at sign pound, at sign number sign.
At sign pound. Sir,
Hmm.
we spoke before. I don't know if you confirm in regards to exam. What would it be online?
No exam. No exam. That's a research based course. It's assignments and presentation and classwork.
Woo!
Exams.
Look at the load of the assignment, and you're talking about exams. You're a wicked person.
Man,
Write him too, bright
what you
man.
guys talking about?
Or if you don't want exams, they could add some if you
You
want.
mad?
Okay.
You can
Same like that.
assign one to him, sir. You don't have exams on there. Assign one
Sir,
to him,
just
sir.
Give him a special exam.
ease up. Let him alone.
I sign a Google exam and I will sure do it.
Okay.
Google your god, eh?
Rebuild Google. Okay. Right. So finally now, let's look at how we can pull data from an external source to here. So we look at the Dynaform. This is a step. Look at this request leave form.
Two females sound like
So we go to field
high school
handlers.
brats.
Sir, go a step back or 2 step back.
Where are you?
Yeah, move too
All
fast and
right.
to relax you.
Yeah.
Hurry up and come out.
You're here?
You
Okay.
start tired.
So let us
Sir,
say we want to pull some
sir, where did you get this? I took my eye off the screen and you're like
oh, all
gone.
right, let's go back to this then. Sorry.
Yeah.
So we're here.
Okay.
Right click, steps,
Steps.
and this is a Dynaform in it has a step, and we click edit,
Mm-hmm.
and we're here. Voila. So how will we get the leave available, paid leave available? We get that from the HR database,
Yes, sir.
Right.
and we're using Odoo as our
Sure,
HR
we want to
database.
see if it's
So how we do that now? We go to field handlers, right? And we're looking for leave available. So let us see. Where is that?
Sir, this is not a expectation of assignment two, is it?
Uh, what's the last question, sir?
No, but you said that we're going to design it in Word.
Design it in Word, but you have to at least know how to access the. Come on, I'm giving you 2 days extra. You can do this. I'm doing it for you right now.
Sir,
Access from
question.
field.
How much
Yes,
assignment do you have leave to do?
2, 4 assignments and all, and
Oh
6 classwork.
yes, that's
So,
wonderful.
all right. So we're supposed to create the Dynaform grid.
Yeah, I was making it easier when the assignment was due like a week or so ago, but since you get some more time, 5 extra days, in addition to the 2 extra weeks. Come on, let's just do this. I mean, it's the least you can do for us.
It's the most we can do.
It's, exactly. So the utmost for your highest. No, that's a bad motto.
Hmm?
It's a very bad motto. So what's
Well,
for your highest? That's Calabar's motto.
most we can
Sir,
do.
sir, you're talking about Calabar, sir. I
Let's
told you
let's move
KC
on.
wasn't gonna
I want
win.
KC
Let's
fan.
move
We can
on.
go on. I want KC fan. We can go on, man. No, sir, beat him.
So
I told him they didn't win school challenge squills, so it's inevitable that
that
they're
we
gonna
won't win,
lose.
lose. Come on, it's
Yes.
usually the other way around. It's usually a motivating
Mm-mm.
factor
No, 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 sir.
to
Just
win
check
school
the
chess quiz.
history. When they lose. When they win, they win. Come on, sir.
Okay, that's a very interesting way of looking at it. Okay, so let us see how many leave available this guy has. All right, so this is the field for leave available, right? It's in view mode, sequel, and
To buy myself a battery.
there's no connection here. Let's create a connection for this. So let's create a connection to Odoo. Database connection, new
Man. Oh gosh, man. My ears.
Postgres server, localhost,
Your ears?
database name, um, test 10, open PG. Let's see if this works. All right, that's fine.
Yay.
So we have a connection to now open ERP. So let's go back to the form.
Said steps.
Steps, right? With you listening. Edit.
Edit.
Field handler and leaves available. Okay, great. So we have a connection. So let's look at Postgres now and see what's happening there. Let's go Odoo.
Shoot, control it now. Thank
Sir,
you.
the person the background load still in us, sir.
I don't know why these guys won't mute their
Is this the person named J?
I think
Oh,
he left. I
he's
thought he left. Who's
no.
RJ? Is
All
he
right.
left?
He put it on.
Mute?
What you think
Send him
tell
back.
us
It's
in
off
class?
again.
What me not learn to?
Let's move on. So we have here a leave summary. So this guy here, let's take a look at this person now. Pieter. Leaves allocation. Leave details. Now this guy has negative 3 days left.
That mean is awesome.
Yeah, I know how to do that. And let us see how we can
Over take
adjust that.
vacation. Take one vacation.
Yeah, so
Sir, I think because there was no leave allocated, because I don't see anything created there.
right, where's the leave
The leaves
allocated?
right above above reports.
Yeah.
No, sir, on this side, yeah.
Oh,
When you
leave
click it a
allocation.
while
Right.
ago,
Okay. So click
it
create
was
blank.
empty. Yeah.
All right. So for this guy, for Peter, let's just give him 20. Description. Leave to take. So if he has he takes 8 and I approve this, Okay, great. Let's see what happens now. I guess it only happens after I do this. I did more. I added 8 more to him. So let's take this from the 9th to the 2.4 days. Approve that. Right. So he has 28 days allocated. We're taking
Oh,
2.4. Okay, great. So let's take a look at Peter Parker, employee, employee Peter Parker. Where is he? Here he is.
Sorry, I forgot his Spidey suit.
Yeah, you're one of the very few people that recognize that it's actually Peter Parker. Spider-Man is
so,
Peter Parker.
but Peter.
Well, he's
Come on, man.
Belgian.
People
He's
can't
Belgian,
spell.
so that's the Belgian pronunciation of Peter. Good. So look at him here, and we see he has 32 days left. Okay, good. So he has 32 days left. How we can get that in a database? Let's search the database and see what that. So go to PG admin 3. Go to the database, open PG, PWD, testing, schemas,
Scheme, public,
public tables.
HR tables,
And then go to HR.
HR employee.
Very good. HR employee.
It's going to crash my laptop, so.
Select. No, this is Peter Parker up here. Everybody following? Please stop me if you're not following. I hope it's
So,
not
sir,
Kamisha, Andre, and Alti alone. Yes, you're saying something?
sorry, that don't show up.
No, it wouldn't be in here, obviously, because it's just the
Okay.
main table. So it's linked to other tables. So let's try to find the let's show you this main one that he would be here. I will just use his employee ID, which is number 1, as the key. As a key to link to the other table, which I'm pretty sure it's let's see this. This is the general leave status thing. Let's see what's here. This is employee here. Employee 1 has 20 days. Legal leaves for Peter Parker, right? 20 days.
But sir, it was
Remember I did
more
this,
than that a while ago.
yeah, I did these 8 days.
Oh,
See it here, these to
so
take. Uh, and then he took
sir, scroll
2.4.
all the way back. Scroll all the way back to the other end.
Which back?
I want to see the employee ID, sir. Mm, But it's something different.
Let us see what could cause that. Holiday status ID.
Sir, hold on. Scroll back over.
Oh, go
I
back,
am the
sir.
one. I am the one
Right
that
there,
gave
so
him
it says one there, and
the
all the
manager
parts that.
ID. Cause he's the manager now. He's the, I think he's the main
Oh,
user for
oh,
this. So he
Sir,
gave
sir,
okay.
himself
sir, can I walk to the first row?
the first column.
Yeah, column. I think this ID is no.
It's just the table
Yeah,
ID.
for the table.
These are
Sir,
Yeah.
disability users right
sir,
here.
the status one looks like it's it that
This one
one,
right here.
sir. Yeah,
Yeah, cause
cause
it's
the
more
top one
consistent
and then
with
the right.
the last two.
Yeah.
Okay, let's use this then. It says holiday status ID, which is you know weird. Version 10 OpenRP. Yeah. Okay, we're just trying to get the concept. So let's look at this. So holiday status ID. So let's do a select statement so we can finish up. So what we want to get number of days underscore temp, number underscore of days temp using this and the ID. Wow. So what's the name of this table? HR holidays. So we go to here. So let us say now select once again HR. We want this. Here it is. HR public ID. Okay, let's just go back to it. It's easier. Number underscore of underscore days underscore temp.
Sir,
Yes.
sir.
Listening.
Me up off now, you know.
In 2 minutes.
Me, me up off now.
All right, Jay. But yeah,
Don't
you did this already. You
drop.
did this on Saturday, so you're good. You're good.
Where I think I tripped in the pan.
Repeat that.
I
Repeat
said,
Saturday.
don't drop.
I
Repeat
think I
Saturday.
tripped my hop off.
No, we did this on Saturday.
Did what on
So
Saturday?
Jay can leave. Oh, you
Did
left early
what?
as well. You went to Champs. Oh,
Sir,
sorry.
sir. You
Just
on
checking. You
this
went to
Saturday
Champs.
morning thing. You do what on Saturday?
Yeah, it's
All right,
called.
you're doing this but this Saturday, right?
No, we did this on last
Why?
week Saturday already.
No, never call that one day.
Call you left. So we're looking at this now. We're saying number of days temp. Help me with this, guys. So it's select number underscore of underscore days underscore temp
Um,
from holidays.
mhm.
What?
Where?
Which ID number we're using now? We're saying
One. Oh, holiday. Where there? Holidays underscore status underscore ID.
mm-hmm, equal one.
Equal one.
So let's save this and see what happens. So save that. Or save. I'll run this Dynaform now. What's supposed to happen? This is Kamisha, so she won't say anything. Let's log out and log me in. So I want now to apply for some
Sure.
leave. And see it here.
Jay, Jesus, come on, you bad man.
Paid leave available 20. How we know that this is
Okay.
true?
What about my name for?
Um,
Control the background, man.
We can do
No background.
things to check that.
We know a quiet place now.
Alti,
Yes.
mute. So we can do a few things. We can change this here. This is legal leaves. I don't want the legal leaves. I wanted to get his leaves taken.
oh,
Let's see. Let's go to the database again. So what is interesting about this? If he takes leave, I want it to be deducted. Let's say he takes some leave here. Leave. Or they subtract that from that. So let's do that then. Let's subtract this from this, add that to that, and then, oh, here it is. Number of days. So do a sum. It's getting IT now, guys. So do a sum.
sir, it's Matsiado.
No, it's SQL. Right? So work with me. Leave available. So it's select number of days. So the sum is number of days, the name? Number of days. Temp. Number of days. Save this. Save this. Do new case. Hmm. Is it pulling from that table? Let's
Sorry, it's
see.
hard to tell.
Yeah, I can tell. Postgres select number of days from that where pay leave available for value from HR holidays where holidays is just equal that. Let's try two. See, let's put it on that table first. Hard to tell, but that's how you do it. We'll have to delete the cache or something. Let me delete the cache. Clear cache. Everything. JavaScript, forms, metadata. Um, designer. Let's try one of these forms. Hmm, step, edit. By the way, Kamisha, if you want to edit the forms, you could edit the JavaScript here and make it more interesting. Add
Where?
colors and on the JavaScript,
Oh,
on the preview, we have XML, HTML. Okay, the HTML here. You
sorry,
can
I
put
don't see that
colors.
in mine.
It's there. JavaScript and all that. Wouldn't advise it, but because that's another thing. Rabbit hole you're getting down,
Hmm.
but it can be done. So
Okay.
I would go here, great, edit. Step. Feed handler. Then now you go to here. See what's happening here now. Submit claim, steps. Look at this form. Let's use faculty as the guinea pig. Feed handler, faculty, SQL connection, paste. Ah, it works here. I think the issue is yeah. So the issue is with default with the default samples that Process Maker gives, you're not able to edit it that
Sir,
easily.
those default samples are headaches. Not
Sometimes,
recommended to use because even to see the preview of your farm, you can't see it if you copy their code and use it
yeah,
to create
sometimes
your
because it's kind
Dynafarm.
of.
Hmm.
Hold on one second, guys.
Sir, just a second. There's any way you could read the value of the current user.
Yes, hello. I didn't hear that question. Please repeat.
Uh, yes, sir. This is Ricardo speaking.
Yes, Ricardo.
I was wondering if you could get the value of a current user, say by the user ID or by the username.
Yeah, you can, and pass as a parameter to it. And
Yeah.
I was showing that last week on Saturday, but I think time didn't permit. But yes, I was able to do that, and we can do that. But let me just finish this because we can do what we were doing before, and it will show up. So let me just do that right now. So if we go to where is that? Okay, where is it? Hmm.
Think
That
you
close that.
close it, sir.
How is that offset? No, it's bad, but it's not that bad. All right, let's try again here. So, so we're saying if you put this in faculty over here, face angular, faculty,
Lindell.
uh, see if it said sum, it should give us 25.6, and if it does, that's it. We're done for this evening. So it did that preview. All right, so we're done. That's it. This is what you'd need.
Sir, show us that code, like
Let me just
bigger.
paste it. I'll do better. I'll paste it in the
Okay, thank you.
in fact, that's not it. Let me get the right one. That's the old one. That's one when I was thrown off a bit. So it's on the faculty
Hmm.
here. Again, it's just SQL, you know. So whatever SQL, right there it is. The second one. So you know what to do. So the idea is to pull data from an external source like OpenERP for your HR data, which is assume that that's the HR store, and pull it on the form so you can manipulate it using Process Maker. And that's it. That's the integration that we need. Yep. Any questions? Hello, Andre. Questions? Lindell?
Sir, is that a real question, sir? I want to show you something when the group is gone, sir.
Okay. I think we might want witnesses for this.
No, man, no, man. All right, sir. I'm gonna share my screen.
Oh, how did we do that last time, Kamisha?
Sir, when the crowd gone.
You
Uh,
show the interface.
Sir, so goodbye to the
yeah,
class, sir.
yeah, you go
Guys, don't
on.
leave me here with Linda.
When the crowd gone. Sir, I don't like it's all like that, you know. Oh, my share my screen.
Let me allow you.
Sorry,
You can
you'd
show
have
us. It's
to
fine.
make him a panelist.
Yeah, I can make him a
A
panelist
panelist.
and let
Yeah,
us do
Oh.
it and let everybody benefit, right? Let's do that. That
exactly.
everybody's here.
Selfish Lindell.
Hey, Kim, get away. Alright, I'm sure. Oh, there you go.
Here you know.
There you go. Knock yourself out.
Yes.